Hi, well, I wanted to use this last video here to explain myself a bit. I told you in the previous lesson that I had chosen the salamander because besides the fact that I think it's a very iconic animal, I wanted to apply these nature elements to play around a little bit, but maybe it's more of a gecko than a salamander. But I wanted to use it because, I don't know, it looks like a funny and quite representable animal, and that's pretty much it. I want you to use all the lessons I taught you in order to make your own, and I'm eager to see the projects you upload. And of course, if you have any doubt, post it in the forum and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you very much for enrolling on this course, and I leave you now with the speed painting of my geckos. So, see you next time. Bye bye.